What's going on, chat? Today we're going to be learning how to drive a manual. Let me fix this real quick. Today we're going to be learning, I'm going to be learning how to drive a manual. So first of all, what y'all think about the cut? Y'all like it? My homie did it, bro. So I'm low-key chopped. I'm just waiting it out a little bit, and then I'm going to go get it faded up and whatnot. But today he's going to be coming, he's going to pull up to the crib, and we're going to be learning how to drive manual. So I'm a grown-ass man, I don't know how to drive manual, whatever, blah, 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 blah. I've never wanted to. It's never been interesting to me. I've never been like, oh yeah, let me just, every time I fucking drive, you know what I mean? I like driving, scrolling through TikTok, bro. I like driving, jerking my shit. I see a bad bitch on the side of the road, I just start yanking it. And I feel like with a manual, you can't really do that, bro. You don't really have the freedom to do that. Yeah, you can downshift, like whatever. But I like scrolling through TikTok while driving, you know what I mean? So it's just no use. So I've never had one. I've just always drove an automatic. But today he's gonna be pulling up. He has a 2001 Jetta. He's gonna be teaching me how to drive manual. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. Hopefully burn his clutch up. Hopefully blow up his car. That's kind of the main goal of this video, is just to blow up his car, if I'm being honest. Hopefully we could achieve that. If not, then I'll just probably like put sugar in his gas tank or some shit, figure something out, and then yeah. So he's gonna get here soon, and I'll let you guys know when he's here. How you start this shit, bro?
Clutch in.
Clutch in.
Clutch in.
Clutch in.
Alright, now turn it.
Oh, my fault.
It started.
It is, bro.
I know, I'm saying it barely started.
Alright, we good?
That was such an aggressive shit.
No, it wasn't.
Don't hit the
Oh, we good?
We good?
We good.
Alright, bet. Hit this nigga. Good shit!
I did! Oh, what the fuck?
You good? Hey, bump, nigga!
Yeah, bro, we good.
Bump, bro.
Where's start at?
In the middle up. I was learning to drive my whip. Stop sign. Stop sign. No, I said
I got the stop sign.
Bro runs it.
I got the stop sign.
Neutral.
I'm in neutral.
There you are. First. Such aggressive shit. You're neutral. I'm just gonna burn my clutch.
Oh, chill. I'm scared, bro. I'm going to the traffic, so I'm fucked. We're good.
Dude, I stalled it yesterday.
We're fucking good.
I stalled it yesterday, and I had somebody behind me laying on the horn. Bro.
Alright, bro, we got this. As long as nobody behind me, we're good.
Why do we have this open if the AC's on?
I don't know, bro. What are you recording, dude? What is this?
For this.
Is it not open?
Oh, that?
Oh, chill.
Alright, go.
What am I doing? Where? How?
You gotta go left. Come on. You have to shift while you're turning.
We're good. I didn't stall it.
Shift to third. Okay, you're good. Golly.
We're good, bro. We're good. What are you recording, bro?
You, man. What am I supposed to record?
You're a terrible cameraman. Like, what are you doing, bro?
Trust, I'm certified.
Yeah, what are you doing, Chad? If I was a terrible cameraman.
No, I'm not.
Like, genuinely.
Look at the back window.
I know, but I can't see nothing.
Just. Did you hear the downshift though?
Yeah, that was me.
No, that was not
That
us.
was me.
That was not us.
That was me.
No. My muffler scrapes on the ground. That cannot be us. Are you in first all the way?
I think so.
Fuck it, we both.
Let's hope so. There's a fucking car behind me.
Yeah? It's a cop.
Chill, bro. Chill. Like, genuinely, what the fuck are you recording, bro?
What am I supposed to?
Me, the fucking, you're supposed to switch, bro. I don't know. In the middle, you're fucking just recording the fucking steering wheel or what? Alright, bro, watch this. We got this.
God, you stalled.
We good.
At least we didn't
He was
get.
trying to go around me.
Bro. If you shit. There you go. The cop.
That ass?
Yeah. We get pulled over.
Like, yeah, you shitty ass driver.
Yeah, you shitty ass driver. Think you can't be stalling here?
You can't fuck that little ass dog.
Hit him.
Should I?
No, bro.
I might,
The
bro.
whip's already fucked up. It's green, so we gotta put in first.
Green Fortnite.
Oh, you stalled. Hurry. So, in the middle. Come on. Okay, go.
Well, now it's not green no more.
You fuck. Dude, you're selling. They're probably pissed.
Bro, I know.
Bro,
Oh, man, he's on his way to work, bro. We just fucking.
he's late. He gets fired.
He fucking drives by us and shoots us.
Oh, never mind. It's a Make-A-Wish kid.
Oh, never mind. This kid looks dumb as fuck.
Your Make-A-Wish, trust.
Bro, why am I on a fucking main road right now, bro?
Real.
What idea was this?
Yours.
Chill, bro.
Actually, it was mine. I'm hungry. Hey, don't hit me.
Please don't hit me. I'm gonna scroll through TikTok.
What are we watching?
Let's see. What's on TikTok right now? One boy, 3 addictions. His game, his beautiful girlfriend, bro. Oh, it's yellow. Oh shit, it is me.
That is not you.
That's literally me.
That is literally not you.
Okay, bro.
Alright,
I'm scared to go on a yellow, bro.
Get stuck in the middle.
I might just wait for it to fucking turn green.
Well, you can't even go yet, so.
I might just wait for it to turn green. So imagine I get stuck in the middle of the
Oh, you can go. No, you can't.
I'm waiting for it to turn green.
I don't care.
This kid thinks I can
Go!
I can't.
Yes, you can!
I'm scared. I'm waiting for it to turn green, but I don't even fucking get there.
Bro, he's gonna take a picture of the license plate. Oh. Alright, go.
I can't, bro. I'm scared.
You got it, Kate. In the middle. Come on. Okay, you got it. Go.
I got this. We good.
Chef!
You guys probably fucking pissed.
God. Never downshift to first. Unless you're coming to a full stop.
Oh, he's following us.
Oh, fuck no.
Oh, we're gonna go to jail, bro.
Oh, yo, bro, we're gonna get killed.
He's gonna kill us.
Go Taco Bell. And park up. Fuck, get going.
Damn. That was your fault.
Park up.
Of course.
Are we gonna stop the video or not?
In Taco Bell?
Yeah.
Fuck no, man. I'm a vlogger.
I'm the one getting food. Yo, neutral. You gotta.
I did, bro.
Yo, you might have just burned the clutch.
No, bro, you're fine.
Alright, I'm driving back.
No, bro.
Yes, bro.
No,
It's
bro.
already
Look
up.
at the
It's already up.
Bro, it goes up more. I'm taking this stuff, okay?
No, that's
It didn't
mine.
work.
Yes, it do.
Oh, hell no. Put that off the fucking TikTok shop.